August Unpacked for 2021 also saw a showcase for new wearables from Samsung. One of these is the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, which is set to be Samsung's classic take for a smartwatch timepiece. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy exclusive and new videos, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on SamMobile. Here's our quick hands-on with the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic and what's new. The design and build quality of the Watch 4 Classic is going for a more traditional classic design of a watch. The Watch 4 Classic uses a stainless steel frame and the classic rotating bezel we have come to know and love on Samsung smartwatches. There are two sizes, the 46mm and the 42mm, and black and silver for the colors. The initial impressions of the fit and finish of the Watch 4 Classic feels initially really nice and looks to be another timeless classic. Quick rundown of the specs. The Watch 4 Classic is using the Exynos W920, which is on a 5nm process, 1.5GB of RAM, and 16GB of internal storage. For battery, we have a 361mAh battery size for the 46mm and 249mAh for the battery size of the 42mm. This is set to bring a 20% increase in CPU performance, 50% increase in RAM capacity, and 10% increase in GPU. LTE is available on selected models and also a high resolution display for better clarity. Initially using a Watch 4 Classic, it feels responsive, but more testing is needed at a later time when we get hands-on with it, as we have a full review unit for usage. The highlight of the new Watch 4 Classic has got to be the brand new Wear OS unified platform with Wear OS powered by Samsung, built alongside Google. We finally get to see the showcase of One UI Watch with Wear OS. This brings the best of both Samsung and Google's software innovations on their wearable smartwatch, which should better take advantage of newer generation hardware, such as what we find on the Watch 4 Classic with the 3-in-1 health sensor called Samsung Bioactive Sensor, which measures PPG, ECG, and BIA all on one chipset. The price of the Watch 4 Classic is set to start at $349.99, 369 UK pounds, and 369 euros, available from the 27th of August. We are eager for further testing of the Watch 4 Classic once we have review units in-house for proper testing and usage. Until then, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com for the latest news daily in the world of Samsung. And for more new videos, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.